Hi, my name is Brandon with LNS, and I'd like to share how easy it is to achieve healthy, cleaner, and safer working conditions inside CNC manufacturing factories. The Fox spray cabinet series consists of the SC2330 and the SC2700. These units are compact and mobile, offer a high filtration efficiency, low noise level, single-phase motor, and low electrical consumption. Easily turn on and off the unit using the selector switch, and simply blow off parts with the air gun. The 15-foot air gun is neatly stored in the holder affixed to the side of the unit. This can be mounted to either the left or right side of the spray cabin. While blowing off parts prior to their next operation, inspection, or packaging, larger chips are collected in the removable stainless steel grid, and smaller chips are collected in the removable stainless steel basket. The coolant drawer has a level indicator so you can easily see when the drawer needs to be cleaned. The spray cabinets can easily be moved to different workstations as each unit comes with 4 caster wheels. The front 2 casters are lockable. Simply change filters by removing 3 screws. The metallic pre-filter is washable. The medium main filter provides 99% efficiency and is the same filter used in our Fox WS mist collectors. The quick release filter retention simplifies filter changing. The integrated motor and impeller are low profile. The SC2700 model comes with an additional side tray. This option minimizes the footprint when cleaning multiple parts, thus reducing the amount of time needed to complete the cleaning operation. Protecting your employees from hazardous airborne oil mist helps keep your employees healthy and safe. If you need additional information, please contact us.